It was supposed to be a dream vacation, but it ended in tragedy. In the heart of Kashmir Pahalgam region, a peaceful tourist group became the target of a deadly attack. The mountains that once sang of beauty now echoed in fear. Let me tell you why Kashmir is no longer safe and where you should go instead. So here is what happened. Just a few weeks ago, some tourists were enjoying their trip, but out of nowhere, militants entered and attacked. 26 people died.
ओए था कोई दिसता जहांगीर तो यार बेड़ियां पीछे जुलदे यार मौत ही कश्मीर की गेंद है
The scary part, the attackers were looking for non-Muslim. They checked people's identity before killing them. The group behind it, called the Resistance Front, which is linked to Lashkar-e-Taiba. They say they want to stop outsiders from visiting Kashmir. Honestly, this made me so sad because Kashmir is so stunning. But right now, it's not what there is. If you're planning a Himalaya getaway, let me show you a safer but still a gorgeous option. Manali is in Himachal Pradesh, very far from the conflict zone. No army checkpoints, no tension, just mountains, snow, and friendly locals. You can see snow almost all year in Solan Valley or Rotan Pass. You can go skiing, paragliding, river rafting. Or just sit in a riverside cafe in Old Manali with a hot chai. Plus, it's famous for apple orchards and some of the coziest guest houses in the Himalaya mountain ranges. Best time to visit? If you want snow, come between December and February. For flowers and light snow, March and April are perfect. For summer adventures, choose May and June. And if you love peace and clear skies, September and October are the best. Just avoid July and August. Why? There will be too much rain and possible landslides. So it's not worth the risk. Kashmir will always be a paradise. But right now, it's a paradise under danger. Until it's actually safe again, I'd rather spend my mountain time where I can actually relax. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye, see you next time.